can you say when love goes away that hasn't been said before? I have no rhyme that's different this time. There's no words to sing anymore. I haven't a clue why you went away. I only know you are gone.
Hi guys, it's Monday and as you guys already know, I'm on my way to the cafe. Today the weather is super gloomy. From today, the rainy season starts. Yeah, it's been raining all morning and now it stopped. But it'll be raining later. So yeah, I definitely grab my umbrella. Yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to the cafe. Oh my gosh. Hi guys, it's Tuesday. Yeah, I'm on my way to a cafe. Yesterday it was raining, but now it pretty much cleared up, but I heard it's gonna rain afternoon, so I bring my small umbrella. And yeah, oh, so what I wanted to say was that Wednesday is my day off, but I also how can I say this in English? A day off you can have once a month. I don't know. Anyway, I'm also gonna have a day off on Friday, so yeah, I'm gonna go on a trip with my sister to Daegu. It's kind of far away from where I live, so. And I heard there are a lot of great restaurants and cafes there, so yeah, I heard that especially there are lots of nice tteokbokki places, so yeah, we are gonna check out. Today is my normal day, so yeah, I'm just gonna go about my day. I hope you guys have a great day today, and I'll check back in with you guys later. Bye.
From the first moment I saw you, I knew I had to make you mine. Can't wait to wake to your love in the morning. This simple thing that we do. Breathe in, breathe out with you. You stopped to tell me just one more time before we start the day.
Hi guys, it's Friday and this morning I went to the gym. It's been a while since I been to the gym. I finally worked out again and yeah, I went there and did my usual workout. And then I had lunch as you guys already saw. Yeah, that's what I did this morning. This week, I don't have to go to work except today because I took my Friday off. So I only have to go to work today this week. It's been raining all day today, so today I'm not gonna go to a cafe. I'm just gonna get my stuff done at home. I don't want to walk under the rain. So in my last vlog, I said I've been reading the book called The Secret. I love that book for now. I almost finished that book, but I just really want to absorb all that information from that book. So I think I'm gonna read that book once again to really understand the content of that book. Ever since I've started reading that book, I've been trying to focus on thinking positive thoughts, like even when I have a bad feeling, I've been making an effort to step myself out of that bad mood and negative thoughts, you know? I think that's not easy, so I feel like I need to work on that because it's not easy. You can just do that right away. So yeah, I've been working on that. Anyway, I have 1 hour and a half left before work, so yeah, I'm gonna edit my video, study English, and maybe plan my trip tomorrow. I mean, I planned, but there's still something to do. So yeah, I'm gonna do that from now on. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm out and about.
You bring me down for all to see, then switch it up and treat me right. You promise sun, but you bring rain. I still love what you do to me. The highest highs, the lowest lows. You take me to every extreme.